Yes, yes! We're riding, singing! Woo! We had our shoes, we had our ball, ready for a day outside. Then tiny drops came, tap, 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 and clouds rolled through the sky. One drop, two drops, here comes more. Little rivers by the door. What do we do when plans all change? Maybe fun can change its shape. Drip, drop, splash and hop. Raindrops bouncing, never stop. Boots go pop and puddles play. Come join our Puddle Pop Parade. A little duck went waddling through, splashing water left and right. Huck jumped small and Mary jumped big. What a funny, splashy sight! Tip-tap, wiggle-wets, how much splash can we get? Spin around, stomp the ground, listen to the rainy sound. Drip, drop, splash and hop, raindrops bouncing, never stop. Boots go pop and puddles play. Come join our Puddle Pop Parade. Clouds can change the things we do. We can find a game that's new. Side by side through every